Did you know that more than half of single-member LLCs end up making the same costly mistakes? Yes, it's true. And in this video, we're going to uncover those mistakes and reveal how you can avoid them to keep your business on the path to success. Ready? Let's dive in. Are you dreaming of starting your own LLC but confused by the process? Fear no more. Malay Law is your solution. We tackle the paperwork, you chase your dream. Don't let doubt hold you back. Tap the link in the description to book a free call and start your LLC journey now. 1. Choosing the right business structure. Let's start with the very first and perhaps the most crucial step, choosing the right business structure. Many folks rush into forming a single-member LLC without fully understanding the alternatives. You see, there are different business structures out there, like sole proprietorships, partnerships, corporations, and of course, the single-member LLC. Each has its advantages and disadvantages. What's the mistake to avoid here? Rushing into an LLC without considering your specific needs and goals. Take your time to research and consult with professionals if needed. Consider factors like taxation, liability, and the flexibility you require for your business. Don't just jump on the LLC because it's trendy. Make sure it aligns with your business strategy. 2. Mixing personal and business finances. Here's another classic mistake, mixing personal and business finances. It's tempting to use your business account for personal expenses or vice versa, especially when you're just starting. But what's the problem with this approach? Well, it can lead to financial chaos and tax headaches, and even put your limited liability protection at risk. Make sure to keep your personal and business finances separate. Open a dedicated business bank account, get a business credit card, and track your income and expenses meticulously. This separation is crucial for maintaining the legal protection that an LLC offers. 3. Neglecting proper record keeping. Now let's dive into something that might not sound exciting but is absolutely essential, record keeping. Neglecting proper record keeping is a grave mistake that many single-member LLC owners make. They think, I'll remember all my expenses and income, no need to write it all down. But what happens when tax season comes around or you're audited by the IRS? Chaos, that's what. Invest in a good accounting system or software. Keep track of every transaction, every receipt, and every invoice. It's not just about staying on the right side of the tax man. It's about understanding your business's financial health and making informed decisions. 4. Overlooking operating agreements. Now, this one's a bit technical, but bear with me, overlooking operating agreements. An operating agreement is like the blueprint for your LLC, and it's something you should have from day one. But guess what? Many single-member LLC owners skip this step, thinking it's only for multi-member LLCs. Big mistake. Make sure to draft a simple operating agreement. Even if you're the only member, this document outlines how your LLC will be run, including how profits and losses will be handled, management structure, and more. It's not just for legal protection, it's for your peace of mind. 5. Neglecting compliance and reporting. Compliance and reporting. Two words that can send shivers down the spine of any business owner. But ignoring them can lead to penalties, fines, and even the dissolution of your LLC. So, what's the mistake here? Neglecting your annual or biennial reporting requirements, depending on your state, and failing to comply with state regulations. The fix is to stay on top of your reporting obligations. Set reminders for deadlines, keep your business address updated with the state, and make sure you're in compliance with all state laws. It might seem tedious, but it's part and parcel of being a responsible business owner. 6. Misunderstanding taxation. Taxation, it's a topic that can make anyone's head spin, right? But here's where another common mistake lies, misunderstanding how your single-member LLC is taxed. Many assume that an LLC is a separate tax entity, but in reality, it's what's called a pass-through entity, which means the business's income and losses pass through to your personal tax return. Get a handle on your tax situation. Consult with a tax professional who can help you understand your tax responsibilities as an LLC owner. You might need to make quarterly estimated tax payments, so plan accordingly. Don't let taxes sneak up on you. 7. Not protecting intellectual property. Intellectual property, like trademarks and copyrights, can be valuable assets. Neglecting to protect them is a missed opportunity and a risk to your business. The fix is to identify and protect your intellectual property early on. Register trademarks and copyrights as needed to safeguard your brand and creations from potential infringement. 8. Ignoring insurance needs. Insurance is not the most exciting topic, but it's crucial. Ignoring your insurance needs is a mistake that can leave your business vulnerable. You might think that your LLC's limited liability protection is enough, but what if a lawsuit or disaster strikes? Your personal assets could still be on the line. The fix is to invest in appropriate insurance coverage for your business. This might include general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, or even property insurance, depending on your industry. It's like a safety net for your business. 9. Not seeking professional advice. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is not seeking professional advice. Running a single-member LLC can be complex, and navigating all the legal and financial aspects on your own can be overwhelming. Don't hesitate to consult with professionals. Talk to an attorney who specializes in business law, hire an accountant or bookkeeper, and seek guidance from experienced entrepreneurs. The investment in professional advice can save you time, money, and stress in the long run. 10. Neglecting annual meetings and minutes. Annual meetings and minutes may sound like a formal hassle, but they're crucial. Skipping them is a mistake that can cost you. The fix is to hold annual meetings and keep minutes as required by your state's laws. Even as a single-member LLC, this practice helps maintain your LLC's legitimacy and limited liability protection. 11. Falling behind on tax payments. Taxes are an unavoidable part of business, but what's often overlooked is falling behind on tax payments, which can lead to penalties and interest piling up. The fix is to set reminders and make sure you pay your taxes on time. It's not just federal income tax, you also need to be aware of state and local tax obligations. Keeping up with tax payments ensures you're in the clear. 12. Misclassifying employees as contractors. Here's a common misstep: misclassifying your workers as independent contractors when they should be employees. This error can lead to legal troubles and hefty fines. Understand the difference between employees and contractors and classify them correctly. Consult with legal experts if needed to ensure you are in compliance with labor laws. 13. Ignoring changes in the law. Laws and regulations can change, and ignoring these changes can put your business at risk. Staying in the dark is a mistake you want to avoid. Keep yourself informed about changes in business laws and regulations that may affect your single-member LLC. Join business associations, subscribe to legal updates, and consult professionals to stay compliant. And there you have it, folks, the most common single-member LLC mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, owning and operating an LLC can be a fantastic way to run your business, but it's not without its challenges. By choosing the right business structure, keeping your finances in order, maintaining proper records, and seeking professional advice, you can set yourself up for success as a single-member LLC owner. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow entrepreneurs. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay smart and stay successful.